Yes, our lesson for today is 13.4. Relate fraction to percent. It's page number 421. So as you can see here, if you remember, we have studied about ratios. Okay, ratio is what? Who will tell me? What is a ratio? Any student, if you remember? A ratio. A ratio. What?
The ratio teacher is when you
A
compare two
comparison.
numbers with each
Yes.
other. Yes, a comparison.
A comparison of two numbers. Okay. We call it a ratio. In a percent. Yes. Now what we will do? Relate fractions to percent. We will have a fraction. Okay, as you can see here, 32 over 100. We will relate it to the percent. Okay.
Yeah.
It's also a ratio, but it's also, we call it a ratio. Okay, but here the denominator will be 100. The denominator will be what?
100.
100. So try to understand this lesson. It's easier. Look at there. In the 100 squares grid, all of them, all these squares, okay, are 100. All of them. 32 squares are green and 6 squares are red. So here the first fraction, as you can see, means 32 out of 100 of the grid is green, right? 32 out of 100 of the grid is green and 6 out of 100 of the grid is red. Is it clear? A fraction can be written as percent. This is a fraction, 32 out of 100 and 6 out of 100. We can write it as a percent. Percent means per 100. Percent means per 100, means out of 100, means denominator 100. A percent is a ratio of a number to 100. The symbol here, like we have a plus sign, do you know? I will tell you. What sign is this? This one?
Plus.
And this one?
Minus.
And this one?
Multiply.
And then this one?
Divide.
Very good.
Can you
Look at
get
there.
far from the mic? Allah يخليك.
Just a minute. Look at there. Now I'm circling this sign. Okay. This is a sign of a percentage. How will you do this one? How will you make this one? A line like this. Okay. Then one circle here and one circle here. Okay. This is a sign of percent, a symbol of percent. Okay. So a percent is a ratio of a number to 100. The symbol of percent is this one. Clear? 32 out of 100 means in a fraction we can write 32 over 100, and in percentage we can say that 32%. Okay? Because the denominator, because of this denominator 100, when this denominator will not be 100, we cannot say that it's a 32%. Like if it's written like this, 32 out of 50. Okay, you cannot say that this is 32%. No, it will be wrong because the denominator is not 100. Okay. So for the percentage, denominator must be 100. Clear? Now let me remove this. I will try to explain you more. 6 out of 100 means 6 over 100. It means 6%, or you can say that 6% of grid is red. Okay. Now look at there. To write a fraction with a denominator that is a factor of 100, means the denominator 100 as a percent. How can we do this one? Write an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. As you can say that 3 over 25. The denominator is 100 or no?
No.
No. We will make the denominator 100. This 25, how can you make it into 100?
Multiply by 4.
Multiply by 4. You will multiply both numerator and denominator, means the up value and the down value. As you can see here, they did it here. 3 times 4 and 25 times 4. Clear?
Yes, it will be
Now,
12 out
yeah,
12%.
12 over 100, it means 12%. So they changed 3 over 25. 3 over 25 means it's a 12%.
Okay, just I have a question, teacher.
Okay, ask me.
If it is not like this number, if it's 26, how will you do it?
We
It's an
will
even
see.
number.
Sorry.
26, how will
First,
you do it?
listen to me. In the numerator and the denominator both, okay, there will be a relation.
Teacher,
Yes, teacher.
I have a question.
Okay.
Here,
Where?
um, here,
You
teacher.
solve 33.
3 out of 25.
Yes.
How equals to 12?
This is 12%. It's not 12.
How to equal 12%?
Listen. If you remember, I told you for the
What?
for percentage, denominator should be what?
100.
100. And here, the denominator is what?
25.
25. So 25, how can you change into 100 times what?
4.
Maz,
Yes, teacher.
times what? 25 times what makes 100?
4.
Yes, 4. Whenever you multiply, if you remember that you have studied it, whenever you multiply the numerator, you multiply also denominator with both numbers, numerator and denominator. 4 and 4 times 4 and times 4. Okay. 3 times 4 is what?
12.
Is it 12?
Yes.
And 25 times 4 is what?
100.
Is it 100?
Yes.
Now this fraction 12 out of 100. So whenever the denominator is 100, so you can say that the numerator it's 12. So you can say that it's 12%. Okay. We will have some questions. We'll solve those questions, then you will understand more. Now there is another thing, to write a percent as a fraction. Here you have a percent, 80%. How can you change into fraction? As you know that what you will do, there are some steps you need to do. Drop the percent symbol, means this symbol you will drop it, you will remove it. First step. Okay. Then write the number as a numerator 100, like it's written there 80%. What you will do, you will drop this percentage sign and you will change it. You can say that it will be 80 over 100.
100.
Very good. Now both of them are divided by what number? 80 and 100. Here it's written there 20. So if you don't know how to divide it 20, you can say that okay, we can divide both numbers by 2. Okay, or by 10. Okay, let's divide it by 10 and divide this one by 10. 80 divided by 10. Moaz, tell me.
8.
8. 8 over 100 divided by 10.
100 divided by 10
Yeah,
equal
10.
is
Now 8 over 10, is this simplest form or no?
no.
No. So we can divide it still with what number we can divide it?
2.
2. Very good. So you will divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
4. And 10 divided by 2 is what?
5.
5. So what did you get from 80 over 100 or 80%? What did you get?
4 over 5.
Very good. So you can say that the 80%
What is
is
this sound?
80% is 4 out of 5 or 4 over 5.
Sound.
There was
I-
a sound. Oh,
I don't know.
like
We
this.
just wait, don't disturb. Okay, look at there, 4 over 5. So you can say that we have changed the percentage into fraction. Is it clear? Okay, now let's remove this and solve some questions. First one, Moaz. Question number,
Yes.
tell what fractional part of the grid is shaded, then write the fraction as a percent. How many boxes are shaded there? Tell them. Tell me.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Can I answer?
No. Next one is you.
20.
Sorry.
25.
Very good. Right here, first 25, because 25 boxes are shaded there. 25 out of 100. So in percentage, how can you write it?
25.
Yes, 25%.
Yes.
Write like this.
Teacher, I didn't understand.
Okay, Abdul Mohsin, look at there. Abdul Mohsin, how many boxes are shaded there? 25. And total, how many boxes are there? It's written, given to you, 100. So 25 over 100. The denominator is what?
100.
100. Abdul Mohsin, remember. Okay, what? The denominator should be 100 in percentage. Okay, in percentage, the denominator must be 100. Okay, now what is numerator?
25.
25. So it's 25 out of 100. You can say that this is 25%. Okay, Abdul Mohsin, look at there. I'm writing another thing. 25 out of 50. Can you write it as 25% or no?
No.
No. Why no?
Because percentage of 100.
Because the denominator is not 100.
Oh, I see.
Okay. So first change this into 100. How can you make 50 into 100 times what?
Multiply with the 2.
Multiply with 2. So you will multiply this with 2 and numerator you will also multiply with 2. Clear? Okay. 25 times 2 is what?
25 times.
Wait, 2.
Okay.
25 times 2.
I know, teacher. I can answer.
No, let him answer because he said that I didn't understand. So I'm explaining him.
50.
Very good. 50. Okay. 50 times 2 is what?
100.
100. So now tell me what is denominator given to you here?
100.
100. So you can say that it's 50%.
Percent.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm removing this. Just
Okay, I can answer.
no. First, Omar, then you.
What?
Omar. Now, question number 2.
Okay.
Tell
This
me.
is 40%.
Okay. First, write here 40, and then you can say that it's 40 and put a percentage sign. 40%. Now, Abdul Mohsin, question number 3.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 3.
65.
No.
66.
Very good. 66.
Okay, cents.
And here 66%. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move
Teacher,
to
what about the lesson before this lesson? What did we take?
before this lesson. Listen to me. This lesson and that lesson, they are almost equal. That is also a proportion, scales and maps. But I want to teach you this lesson because percentage is important than the previous one.
No, teacher. We took it before. I took it in grade 1.
Now look at there. Write as a percent 3/4. Okay. You will tell me that what percent is given this 3/4. I will share with you a whiteboard and we'll try to solve this one on a whiteboard. Okay. The question is 3/4. You need to write this as a percent. Now check the denominator. Is it 100 or no?
No.
Teacher, I know.
No,
I
it's
know.
not.
I know.
It's not 100. Wait. Let me explain this one. Then I will ask the other questions. Okay. Now, just think this 4. How can you change into 100 times what? Who will tell me? 4 times.
I can see.
4 times what makes 100?
25.
25. Very good. This times.
Why do I have answer without raising his hand?
Okay, times 25. Moz, don't answer like this. Okay, and 3 times 25, both. Numerator and denominator. Is it clear? Okay, now tell me, Abdul Mohsin, 25 times 3 is what?
25.
Times 3.
Wait. Equals
Equals.
75.
Very good. Equals 75. And 25 times 4 is 100. Right? So 75/100 in percentage, how can you write this one? 75%. So 3/4 is how much percent? You can say that 3/4.
75.
Very good. It's 75%. Clear?
Teacher, I can answer.
Can answer teacher question 6?
Wait.
I can answer.
Wait. First move to the page. Okay. And
Question
right
6.
here and right here 75%. Clear?
Yes. Teacher question.
Now
6
listen to me. Listen to
Teacher, I
me.
can answer the question 5.
Question number 5. Okay, Muaz. Then question number 6, Abdul Mohsin.
4/5.
Muaz. Question 4/5. Yes. 4/5. How much percentage is this?
4.
Just think 5 times what makes 100?
20.
20. Okay. Also 4 times 20 is what?
8.
80. So you can say that it's 80%. You can do it mentally. Okay, mental math in your mind. Okay.
It's very easy.
Yes. Now Muhammad.
Okay. So say me.
No, no, Muhammad, he didn't answer, so I want to ask him. There are other questions, no problem, Abdul Masud.
40% teacher.
40%. Question number 6.
Yes, 40%.
Okay, how did you get 40%? Could you please explain?
Because 7 it can't be 100. Nothing to be 100.
And listen to
But
me.
10 to be.
Listen to me. Just check its denominator. It's 20. Change it into 100 times what?
I can answer. Times
No, Abdul Mohsin.
5.
Muhammad. Yes, 5. Then 7 times 5.
7 times 5. 7 times 5 equals 35.
35. So you can say that this is 35%. Okay. Now, Abdul Mohsin.
Yes.
Question number 7. 13/50.
We multiply with 2.
Okay.
50. Teacher, why not have answer?
I didn't answer.
No, he didn't answer. He didn't answer. Tell me.
We multiply 5 with 2, 100.
100.
Then
Okay.
we multiply 13 with 2.
Okay.
13 with 2 equals 26.
26. So you can say that it's 26%. Okay. Now, Omar.
What?
Question number 8. 9/10.
Question number 8.
Yes.
90%.
Excellent. It's 90% times
10
10.
multiply 10 and 9 times 10.
Very good. Now, Kareem, can you answer? Okay, he cannot. Abdul Mohsin.
It's easy. The lesson is easy.
Abdul Mohsin.
Yes.
Question number 9. Answer me. 6/25.
25 multiply 4.
Okay. 25 times 4, it's 100. And 6 times 4 is
100. And 6 multiply 4 24.
So,
24%.
excellent. 24%. Clear?
Teacher, you can answer?
Yes.
Okay. Look at this. It's the same thing.
But
Question
it
4,
is not.
but in a word form. Okay.
Teacher, I can answer?
Moaz, okay. It's your turn.
Okay.
2/5 means 2/5.
5 times 20.
Okay.
Then 2 times 20.
Okay.
2 times 20 equals 40. 40%.
Great. 40%. Now, next one is Muhammad.
15%, because 20 times 5 equal 100.
Okay.
5 times 3 equal 15.
Excellent.
Okay, now me then.
It's 15, not 100. It's 15%. Okay, now no, Omar. First, Omar. Question number 12.
Question number 12. 21 out of 25.
Yeah.
It will be 84%.
How did you get this? Could you please explain me?
25 multiply 4 and 21 multiply 4.
Excellent. It's like this. So you can say that it's
84%.
Great. Abdul Mohsin, tell me question number 13.
70%.
How did you get this one?
We multiply 10 with 10.
Sorry?
We multiply 10 with 10.
Okay, 10. So you can say that it's 70%. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, shade a 10 times 10 or 10 times 10 grid.
Teacher, can I answer the first one?
I know.
Then write as a fraction in simplest form. It's
Teacher, I know.
okay.
I can answer the first one.
Moz, tell me.
Okay.
Hmm?
7 multiplied by 4 and 25 times 4.
Which
25
question?
times 4.
Which question?
14.
Question 15.
14.
14.
Yes.
No. Listen to me. How to solve this one?
Oh,
Wait.
teacher, 7.
Wait. They said that write in fraction form now.
Yes.
I will solve
7 over 25.
7 over
No.
25. Yes, it will be 7 over 25. Great.
No, 8.
No, 7 over 25. I'm writing over like this. Okay.
That's it.
And how did you get this one? All of you, you know, or I should explain this one?
I know, teacher. I can explain.
Omar,
What?
28% is equals to 7 over 25. Do you know how to do this one? Or no?
Yes, teacher. 25 multiply 4 will be 100, and 7 multiply 4 will be 28.
Okay, but from 28%, how did you get 7 over 25? I'm asking this.
The same thing. 100 divided by 4. It will be divided.
Look at there. Yes, it will be divided.
Yes.
I'm writing
Like
here. Listen to me.
20.
Teacher,
20.
we divide 100 with 28.
Listen. This is question 28%, right?
Yes.
What you will do?
So you divide it. You
What
divide.
you will do? Divide. Divide by what? 28 over?
Divide by 4.
Why
So
divide
it will
by
be
4?
7.
Listen.
So it will be 7.
Listen. What is this sign?
100.
This sign, percentage. Whenever you will remove this, you will write over 100. Means 28% is 28 out of 100. Right?
Yes. Yep.
Now change this into simplest form. Think about number. With that number, you can divide both 28
4.
and 100. That is 4. Yes, that is 4. So divide by 4 and divided by 4. 28 divided by 4,
It will be 7.
7. And 100 divided by 4,
25.
25. So you can say that it's 28% is 7 out of 25.
Yes, that's
Right?
what I said. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I said.
Thank you. So just go back and write here 7 over 100, 7 over 25. Now 5%. Who will tell me? It means 5 over 100 and 5.
Yes.
Both are divided by what? Divided by 5.
5.
Yes. 100
So it
divided
will
by
be,
5.
Half
it
the
will be 20. 1 over 20.
Wait.
I mean-
Look. Remove this. It's 5%, right?
Yes.
So you can change this 5 over 100, right?
Yes.
And both digits are divided by what? The same number?
5.
5.
Yes. So it will
So you
be
can say that 1
over
over 20. So 5%,
That's what.
5%, you can
That's
say
it.
that it's 1 out of 100. Right here.
1 out
1.
of 100.
Yes. 1 over 20. Sorry.
So you said 100.
Teacher, 5 multiply what equal 100?
Sorry.
5 multiply what equal 100? 25.
Not
yes?
20. 20.
5 multiply 20.
Yeah. Now 30%. How to do this one? Look. Whiteboard. Remove this. Right here. 30%.
Teacher, 15 over 50.
15 over 50. We'll check this one. As you know that we'll remove percentage sign and we will divide by 100. Okay.
Yes.
30 over
Teacher, the
100.
time.
I know the time, but I want to explain. Okay. 30 over 100. Both digits are divided by what? Let's say the easiest way, look at there. Let's say we can divide both by 10 at the first
Yes.
step. Then we will see that is that simplest form or no.
Why would 10, teacher?
Wait. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 100 divided by 10 is what?
10.
10. Now check 3 over 10. Is there any number to divide or to simplify this one, 3 and 10? No. So you can say that 3 over 10. Okay, 30% is 3 out of 10.
Yes.
Right here, 3 over 10. Now 64% means 64 over 100. I will take this, I remove this all. Now 64%. What you will do at the first step, remove percentage sign, divide by 100.
Then divide by 2.
Okay.
Let's try 2.
Now, okay, let's say Omar is saying that divided by 2. Let's check it divided by 2 by dividing 2. 64, 64 divided by 2, which is 32
And
over
100 is 50.
it's 50. Still we can divide it by 2. It's not simplest
Yes,
form.
again. I know.
It's not simplest
because
form.
it's hard.
Now divided by 2
again.
again.
Divided by 2 again. It will be 16 over 25.
16 over 25. Is there any other number to divide?
No.
No.
Plus.
So 16 over 25 is the answer.
Teacher, we
Okay,
can't.
tell me.
Teacher, we can't divide.
With what
We
number,
can
Abdul
divide.
Mohsin? Tell me.
I can.
With 8.
With 8. 8 times 3 is 24, not 25.
Teacher, we can divide with 0.
With 0.
Yes.
Okay, and your dream. Thank you. Move back.
If you divide it 0, it will be 0.
Okay. Now right here, what did we get? 16 out of 25. Clear?
Can I answer question 19?
Question 18 first.
18, yes. Can I
Okay.
answer it?
Okay, let me remove this. You will answer me now. I will write here. Okay. It's 44%. Tell me steps how to do this one quickly, because we don't have time. We have just only 3.5 minutes left. 44%. What to write here down?
Write down 100.
44 over 100. Okay, let's say 44 over 100. Now tell me what to do next. Divided by what?
44 will be 22.
Divided by 2, you mean? Okay, let's divide it
Yes.
by 2. 44 divided by 2 is what? 22. 22 over 50. Next step.
Yes.
Is the simplest form? No.
No, no. Then divide the 22 with 2 again.
Okay, with 2 again. Let's do it again.
11 will be 11.
11 over 25.
Yes.
Okay, is the simplest form? Or we can divide it?
No, we can't.
Yeah, no, we can't. So 11 over 25 is the answer. Very good. So right here, 44%, 11 over 25. So you know how to do this one, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, let me write down. 29 over 100. It will be the simplest form. We cannot divide it. Yes, we cannot divide 29. 29 and 100. No, we can't. 52 over 100 means we can divide it by 4. It will be 13.
2 or 4.
Yeah, 13 over 25.
13.
Okay. 4%. 4
Teacher,
over
you
100.
calculate it very fast.
Yeah. 4% means 4 over 100. 4 over 100 are divided by 4. So you can say that 1 over 25. 1 over 25.
Yes.
85%.
85%. This will be divided by
4. Divided by 4. Okay. So when 85 divided by 4, it's 17. So you can say that it's 17 over 20. 17 divided by 5. Sorry. 85 divided by 5. 17 over
20.
20. Very good. 17 over 20. 13%. 13 is not divided by any of the number 13 and 100. So you can say that 13 over 100. 18%.
18, it will be divided by
2. Divided by 2 only. So it will be 9 over 50. Because 100 divided by 2 is 50.
Yes.
And
the
30.
period will end.
30.
30 divided by 10.
3 over 10. 3 over 10. Very good.
Okay, finished. خلاص
Yes.
teacher السلام عليكم in the meeting.
Okay. Don't know it will finish. It's just only less than 1 minute left.
Okay teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Teacher,
You're welcome.
Yes, teacher.
teacher, if now, yes, the Ramadan will be tomorrow or after tomorrow.